Today is the day you can change your life, and I'm going to show you how. Just give me a couple of minutes. You've probably seen ads like this before. What qualifies me to tell you how you can change your life? Well, it wasn't my 25 years as a business owner or an investment banker. Actually, it's what I did after those 25 years. I quit everything to go after the life that I love, and I am now living it. I'm walking the walk, and you can do the same thing. How did I do it? I learned how to create a different kind of life that gave me freedom, financially and time-wise. You see, I spent 25 years working long hours, very successful career, the epitome of what everybody thinks is success. Yet I wasn't feeling it. I was having to work longer hours, and I was making less money actually, and there was no end to that. And in fact, I was giving up vacations. I was stressed out. I was actually getting heart palpitations. Maybe you can relate to this. And I realized if I didn't make a change, if I didn't do something, I was going to live the rest of my life like that, not fulfilling my dreams. Maybe you can relate. Maybe you don't come from a successful, money-making career. Maybe you're just working really hard and not getting ahead. Maybe you've struggled with money your whole life and you don't know how to fix that. We're all told what we're supposed to do, how we're supposed to function, and then we put our life and our earnings separate from our personal lives and our passions. Well, it doesn't work that way. What you do for a living every day is your life. It's part of everything, and it fuels what happens when you go home, how you feel when you're with your family, how you feel about yourself, if you're fulfilling your passions, or if it's something you have to fit in on the side when you're exhausted. We've all been living that life, and we're sick of it. And we're all finding solutions now because we have them. You see, we didn't have the internet back when I was growing up or selecting careers. Not like we do now. As an investment banker, though, I knew that my most successful clients were online using the internet or technology. They had low overhead. A lot of them worked virtually. They were extremely successful because they were utilizing what all of us are on now socially, how we earn, how we learn. The internet's getting bigger. Now, I knew companies used it, but I also knew that individuals could use it too to be successful. And I decided I was going to be one of those. We have people learning the internet, how to create online businesses and income from every walk of life, from stay-at-home moms to attorneys, to doctors, business owners, to truck drivers, IT professionals, people that get it, that there is a way to change our lives, and I was one of them. I learned how to use the internet to create an online business. I have no tech knowledge, and I'm a baby boomer. This was all new to me, but I knew it was the only option I had. Working for somebody else made no sense. I had friends that went to school at night for years to get a different trade and work during the daytime, only to graduate and go right back into the matrix and realize that wasn't the solution. Owning or buying a company like I did, I was working even more hours, stressing out. You can invest in your education, real learning on how to create any product or service online, how to create any business, and what if you don't have a product or service like I didn't? It's called affiliate marketing, not MLM, not pyramid schemes. Affiliate marketing is what Amazon does. They're just promoting other people's products and services and getting rewarded for that. You don't have to sell anything. You just bring value to the world and allow them to come to you. And we'll show you how to do all of that. If you're a business owner, you need to learn how to put your company online, to automate it, to increase your revenues and reduce your management. I have multiple companies online now. But this training system that I decided to learn, to go with, has changed my life. When I quit my investment banking career, I wrote a best-selling, award-winning book, and it is now a television movie. I have 2 other books out, published books. I started a second company that is extremely successful. I have a very popular YouTube channel. It's a spiritual mentoring channel that helps other people change their lives. I'm changing the world, and I changed mine, and you can do the same thing. Are you ready to step outside of that box, to step outside the matrix? Here's the best part. When we give you all these tools, we just don't say, hey, here's an online business tool, and we let you figure it out yourself. We have mentors, trainers, and a huge spiritually minded community to support you, because this is new. It can be scary for a lot of people. I was very excited. I couldn't wait to learn this, but not everybody's like me. You might be a little bit afraid to step outside of that box and learn something new. It's okay. We're going to be there to support you. And that's the difference between this learning platform and many others out there. The support is there. We understand that this is a whole mental mind shift, and it's just not about the money. We'll show you how to do that. But here's the best part. We're going to show you how to create that life you want. And that's the biggest focus, is how do you create a life you love? And these are just the tools to support that give you time freedom, that give you financial abundance, that allow you to express yourself. Have you ever always struggled to make money because you don't fit into that 9-to-5 slot every day? Maybe you're a more creative person and the world has not supported that. Or your family or everybody else that tells you you need to go be responsible. Guess what? You can use all of those passions and skills and create something online and actually create income off of that and bring value to the world. I'm here to tell you it's possible. Don't be afraid of something just because it's new. This isn't going away. The internet's been around a long time. But learning it as an individual and using it, empowering yourself, that is cutting edge stuff that's going on right now. And there's a whole wave of people. That's why you may see a lot of these ads. There's a whole wave of people changing their lives, and we're spreading the word. And you can do the same thing. If you want to come join us, you can click here anywhere on the screen, depends on what device you're on right now. There'll be something on the screen you can click on. You give me your email address and I'll send you free videos, my mentors, the founders of the company, other members, explaining how it works. And you can decide if it's for you. It's free. It'll come to your inbox. If you don't like it, you unsubscribe. But don't be afraid to step outside of that matrix just because it's different and new. Did you know the Huffington Post said that there will be 3 billion more people online using the internet by 2020? That's 3 billion more people looking for products and services like yours. Do you want to be a coach? Are you a musician? Do you want to express your artistic ability? Do you want to create an online store, an e-commerce store? Do you have nothing and you just want to learn how to use the internet to create money and income and a life of freedom? We'll teach you how to do it. Click here, somewhere on the screen. It's going to come up, free videos. You have nothing to lose. Don't limit yourself. This world is changing. You can be a part of that. You can be the trailblazer. You could be our next success story. And what happens when you go on the other side? I'll be there to greet you. I actually personally work with the members that come over through this ad. So I hope you join us. I hope I get to see you. I hope I get to be a part of your success story and your new life. It's changed mine. I've been able to be the kind of person that I was never able to be as an investment banker. And I'm so happy. And at the end of the day, when my life is over, I'm going to know that I fulfilled my dreams, and you should do the same. No matter whether it's through this program or something else, don't hold back on those dreams. Pursue the life that you deserve and you desire. Thanks for listening, and then you'll get the information from me, and hopefully I'll get to see you on the other side of success. Take care, and thanks for listening.